Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about DialogTech versus CallRail and what is the difference. You want to get to know your customers better and create marketing campaigns that drive traffic to your site. But how can you anticipate which marketing strategies will resonate with customers the most? Marketing analysis through call tracking delivers clear, actionable insights about the ways you're generating leads. Comparison. CallRail. What is CallRail? CallRail is a marketing platform for businesses that rely on quality phone calls, leads, and new customers to grow and succeed. Our software gives customers visibility into their marketing efforts so they know what's working and what isn't. DialogTech. What is DialogTech? DialogTech has merged to form the unchallenged leader in call tracking and conversation intelligence. DialogTech ticks all the boxes if you're searching for a true partner to assist you achieve your marketing and sales objectives. We provide the most useful call data and analytics, the most powerful integrations, and a user interface that puts you in complete control. CallRail industry rating. Marketing and advertising, 35.9%. Real estate, 9.7%. Construction, 5.7%. DialogTech industry rating. Marketing and advertising, 27.6%. Real estate, 5.7%. Hospital and healthcare, 4.0%. Partnership. We're better together. We don't just work with 700 marketing platforms, we make them better. In a few clicks, our call and conversion data fuels deeper insights automatically. Here are 3 ways we can grow together. Affiliate partnership, agency partnership, technology partnership. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.